Hi, I'm doing this class for nonverbal communication. My name is Mai Lee Neidline. I apologize ahead of time. I have a cold, so I apologize for my voice. Nonverbal communication is the exchange of messages without the use of words. Nonverbal communication occurs on more unconscious level. Verbal communication and nonverbal communications are interacted. They operate together in communication. The first photograph, to me, the man appears that he's received good news. He looks happy and somewhat relieved. He has a large smile. His smile seems real and genuine smile. You could also tell that he's smiling from his eyes and that the muscles around his eyes are like squinting from his smile. He appears to be talking to somebody. He looks comfortable with the other person because he stands, is open, he's not guarding himself. He's either wiping his sweat off his head or fixing his hair because he removed his hat by one hand and running his fingers through his hair with the other. He does look like he does some kind of woodwork because that kind of looks like a hammer handle. He doesn't look like he's upset or anything like that. In photograph number 2, the young man appears to be a minor, as working, not like underage. He looks like he's posing for a camera. It almost appears he's doing a funny pose for the camera. He's smiling and looks like he's in good spirits. It also looks like he's about to begin the shift because his clothes are still clean and neat. It may appear that it looks like it's cold where he's at because he's dressed in warm clothes. He does look like he's comfortable and he's relaxed and not stressed. In this photograph, the woman looks like she's posing for a photograph. She's sitting on a stool with her legs crossed and her arms resting on her lap loosely. Her chest is facing frontwards towards the camera. She almost looks nervous but excited at the same time. Her smile is small. It kind of looks fake, almost not noticeable, but when you look at her eyes, you can see that it's real. I don't know, maybe if she's tired of posing or this is her first time doing a photograph. She seems somewhat uncomfortable, almost like in a tense way, but then she also looks kind of excited. This last photograph, this man looks like he's very proud to take this photograph. He's very serious looking. He does not have a smile. He looks like he's concentrating on something. His eyes are like staring at something towards the floor. His shoulders and chest are straight back and up. He also looks like he takes pride in his appearance because everything is neat. Everything is where it should be. I don't know, maybe with the flash of the photography, his eyes widen with his eyebrows kind of expression. But he does look like he is very proud to take this photo. And that is it. And thank you so much.